Hi, I'm Kim and welcome to my channel Quilt with Kim. You are very welcome here. Now, have you bought yourself some Gutermann thread and you cannot get the thread out and you're forever trying to pick at it and trying to find it? There's a very quick and easy way of getting the thread going on your spool. So I'm going to switch over to my other camera so that you can see. Okay, here we are, all nice and zoomed in. So this is the spool of thread that I was just waving at you from the other screen. This admittedly I have been using, but the same principle applies, and I do have a brand new spool of polyester thread here, so I can demo on that. So what you are going to do, this is where at the bottom where the thread gets all caught up, and that's where when they wind it onto the spool, that's where they finish the thread, and it's normally all tucked into that little gap here. So it is really easy to undo. All you're going to do is get this bottom bit. You can see where there's a little gap. Get this bottom bit and you're going to twist it. And as you twist it, that thread will come undone. There we go, like that. And just to show you on a brand new spool, never been used before, so I don't even know, or you can just see it going in just there, but I don't know where it is anywhere. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist it, and here we go, all come undone. I promise I hadn't done that earlier. That was quite easy. Some of them are a bit stiffer than others, but that is how you undo your thread. And obviously if you want to attach it and wind it up, just hook it into that little gap there. That is what it is there for. Now, I've had a look on Metler threads. You can't do it on Metler spools. I don't think you can do it on Aurifil either, but it's worth having a little look to see if that bottom bit twists around. But definitely on Gutermann, I know people struggle with it, so I thought I'd show you my quick and easy way to get that thread out of your Gutermann spools. Hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.